2 of the cassava being submerged in water and placed under the sun. We can see the foams coming out of the cassava tubers, but they are yet to be soft totally. So we still leave it until tomorrow. Next tomorrow, it will fully soft and then. So it is now more than 3 days. We want to remove the cassava from the water. They have become very, very soft, as you can see. See that some of them are floating on top of the water right now because they have become soft and swollen. You can see them. And it has also undergone some fermentation that will destroy the cyanide acid. Don't forget, cyanide acid is in cassava and it's poisonous. So when you put it inside water like this, most of the cyanide acid has entered into the water, and that is why this water is not good for anything. If you pour this water on some plants, they will die because of the cyanide acid in the water. So we want to avoid cyanide acid. That is why it has to be soaked in water for 3 to 4 days or even more. So you can squeeze them to remove the excess water and some starchy parts. So we try as much as possible to rinse them so that they are very clean. Remember, we did not peel the cassava tubers before putting them inside water. That is why it is necessary now to wash them very clean as you are removing them. There should be no sand or traces of any particle or dirt on them. I'm putting these things on the ground so that the chicken will come there when it has dried up, so that they can eat it up. They love eating this. Now we have the water. The water here is quite poisonous. It is filled with cyanide acid, and that is poisonous to human health. And that is why the cassava has to be soaked for 3, 4, 5 days before we remove them out of the tubers like this. So we can see the water. As you see this water, it is also useful to farmers and gardeners. If you have a tree or some plants that are disturbing your farm, you can carry all this water and pour at the base of the tree. When the water sinks down at the base of the tree and the tree absorbs it, there is every high probability that the tree will die. Very high probability. So that is what this water is useful for. You can use it to kill weeds and some trees. You can use it to kill weeds and some trees. Then we have the clean cassava tubers. Now this is no longer cassava tubers. It has become Lafun, but wet type. It is not yet sun dried. So the next process is to begin the sun drying.